We at Cosmic Group are committed to ushering in high standards of professionalism, transparency, and innovation to the real estate industry. We are a team of experienced professionals and veterans with a long-term commitment to the future. And with an illustrious past, developing IT parks, commercial properties, residential projects across the spectrum of housing, hospitality, and educational institutions, and of course, major retail projects for more than 25 years.
We at Cosmic Group have a delivery history of more than 40 successful projects spread across 5 million square feet, and this is across the geographical spread of India. And we have developed projects in Mumbai, we have developed projects in around Delhi, we have developed projects in Gurgaon, Noida, Rohini, Vikashpuri. We were primarily into cooperative group housing societies, and thereafter we've done a lot of private projects in and around Karol Bagh, Rajendra Nagar, South Delhi.
Our footprint covers over some of the most coveted geographies in New Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, Ghaziabad. Cosmic Group takes immense pride in all its endeavors and promises to leave behind a rich legacy, setting new paradigms for quality construction and cost-effective solutions.
We at Cosmic ensure that we do only those projects which are clear title with prime location, and the key factor is best-in-class facilities. Hence, we ensure high appreciation and customer delight.
As a company, we are an ISO 9001-2008 certified. Besides that, all our structures are IIT certified. Our core responsibility is to deliver the world's best of quality standards, best of finishing, best of installation of the materials in our projects to ensure that our customers live a very comfortable life.
Today, Cosmic Group has earned a pride of place among its many esteemed customers and look forward to tomorrow with immense optimism.
We are a policy and a system-driven organization. We are grateful to have a young and dynamic pool of our respected colleagues who do not leave any stone unturned to ensure that our clients, our associates, vendors and contractors are satisfied. We have a huge wealth of channel partners with us who are considerably the backbone of our progressive growth and success. I am thankful to them for their continuous support to Cosmic Group's growth story.
Right in the heart of the new business district of the nation's capital at Yamuna Expressway stands a swanky glass and steel marvel, Cosmic Corporate Park, India's first absolute green building with 7-star comforts and LEED Gold certification.
Now, when we go inside this Cosmic Corporate Park, it's not just a normal office building. In this building, you have all the facilities of a 7-star hotel on the ground floor. And as you go upwards, you will find yourself in a business center. You have a common reception, you have a common meeting rooms, you have common conference rooms. So primarily in a 500 square feet office, you enjoy facilities of a 3,000 square feet office. So you have a twin advantage. It's a 7-star facility with business center facilities. This is going to be an amazing architectural marvel.
This business park features ultra-luxurious office spaces that meet the demands of today. That includes technology support and infrastructure that enables lightning-quick communication backbone. Apart from making great business sense, Cosmic Corporate Park makes for great investment sense.
Our esteemed customers do not just get high appreciation, but in some of our projects like Cosmic Corporate Park, they also get assured return. Hence, it becomes irresistible investment opportunity. Actually, it has an advantage of both debt as well as equity, where one gets monthly assured return on the investment. Also, he gets high appreciation on the capital invested. I must say, We are an organization with the difference. We have the history of timely delivering of awesome projects with highest satisfaction of our clients.
At Cosmic Group, where we believe in under commitment and over delivery, you can look forward to an exciting future together.